This is homemade butter and this is from the market. As you can see the color, this is white and this is yellow. And this is pure organic butter. And this is one juice of homemade butter. 235 gram. And this cost 410, but this is not full, but it's much bitter. Because Fatma, she like this homemade butter, so alhamdulillah I have already this homemade organic butter. We can cook this one for pakora curry or vegetable curry, but this is not enough. This is only 1 jug. In 2 to 3 days I have to blend now this one to make it butter, because it's still not full, this typhoon. I gathered 1 typhoon or lunch box of fresh buffalo milk to cream, and then I will put her in blender and I will blend this one to become butter. So I will put all her, because Fatma, she said she like homemade butter. I have this Blue Band butter from market, but she like, but not much. She like this homemade butter, so now I have to blend now this one. And for Siri, for morning, for fasting, she will make breakfast this one with chapati. You can put also in bread. So I'll put all this one all here in blender. Now I will put enough water for this to blend now, but not full. Enough this one. Now we have to blend now this homemade butter. Blending homemade butter. Ayan, second rounds na ito. Start nang maging butter o naging curdle na yung cream. Ayan, pang third times ko nang i-blend. Dagdagan natin ng kunting tubig. Ito pang 4 times na ito. So, butter na ito. Ayan buo-buo na. Ayan, butter na. Ayan So, ilagay ko dito sa paglalagyan. Yung yung empty na Blue Band. Ayan, dito ko ilagay. Minimum 10 minutes ko ito blend sa first round. Mga siguro, mga 2.5 minutes. Hanggang na kumpleto ng butter na within 10 minutes.